Alright, I got a disaster over here. I've been tearing this thing up. I put rails on. I had a badly bent rod because I beat the crap out of this machine. But then I was having problems with closed loops. This is a new closed loop I got. It actually came with a motor and everything. The motor's over there. But I used the bigger motor, so I swapped it using my 3D printed parts and stuff. This is my drawer of dead closed loops. I don't know what's happening with these Big Tree Tech guys. That kind of. Let's see if I can find one that's. That one's. Okay, this is the OG one. I saved one of the ones that blew out. Here it is. Look at that. It just blows the drivers off the board and just burns. One of these screens has a big scorch mark on it, and that one up there. This one burned a different chip. But yeah, it's just been crazy. We're just going to close those in there. We don't talk about that anymore. But I got it moving. If I press the home button, this is with the rails and the new setup. My side mounted switch works. That was it. I just homed the X and Y, I didn't home the Z. Because there's no bed. But it is moving and working now. I have a second one of these MKS Servo 42C with the motor. You can only get them with the motor, and they're like $44 a piece of whatever. I'm actually going to swap out the X-axis one to the same thing. I also like the rainbow cable. I like the rainbow cable better. Had problems with the board. I had a bad connector on one of my Z-axis down here. Had so many problems. They all hit at once. I don't know what I did, but I broke it. Now I fixed it. It only took me like 6 weeks. Hopefully soon, 3DLS will be printing again. This is the OG. This is the prototype. Like, this is the first motor holder ever printed. So, hopefully we get it going, and then I can print the front mounts or rails aren't on it because the other printer couldn't print them good enough to fit. So, that'll be the first thing printed. Here we go.